Welcome student to Praveen Patil College of Diploma Engineering and Technology. Our department is Humanity and Science course Basic Mathematics course code 22103. Myself again Mrs. Smita Shekhar Kamble. Today's lecture is obviously depend on the statistic unit 5 chapter number our favorite chapter, that is 8. Use the 82fx ms calculator to solve any problem which depend on statistic and verify. Last lecture we continue about the standard deviation. Standard deviation bracket square is variance. So variance we have to clear about that. The definition of variance is the measure of dispersion of the values based on their derivatives from the mean. The variance is defined to be sigma square summation xi minus mu bracket square upon n. For population, s square is sigma x minus x bar upon n and whole bracket square, that is for sample. Coefficient of variation, very easy. Coefficient of variation denoted by CV is equal to sigma upon x bar into 100, where sigma is standard deviation, x bar is mean, and CV means less CV means more consistent. Let us check urgently what is mean by less CV means more consistency is what. Let the following values calculated in respect of height and weight of the students of section of class which 11th xi means 11th. Height weight mean 162.6 centimeter, weight 52.36, variance 126.69 cm square, 23.1361 kg square. Oh yes, weight is always in a kg. Okay, can we say that the weights show greater variation than the heights? Let us check. To compare the variation, we must calculate coefficient of variance. Coefficient of variance CV is equal to standard deviation upon mean into 100. Variance of the height 127.69 centimeter. Standard deviation square root of 127.69. So using this concept, put the values and derive the which condition is verified. So use and solve these as a homework. Direct method. Class interval 30.39, 40 to 49, 50 to 59, 50, 60 to 69, 70 to 79, 80 to 89, 90 to 99. Total. Can this class interval continuous? Oh no. Frequency Fi 3, 1, 8, 10, 7, 7, 4, 40. Mid value. Mid value 30 plus 39 upon 2. It is obviously 34.9. Is it possible? Let us check 69 upon 2. 2 3s are 6, 2 4 45. Yes, light. 40 plus 14 44 upon 5. 50 plus 259 54.5, 60 to 69 64.5, 70 to 79 74.5, 80 to 89 84.5, 90 to 99 94.5. Now we need the x bar. How to find the x bar? You have to check that. Okay, x bar means what? For fi into xi upon x bar. So we have to take the x bar is given part and xi minus x bar we have to calculate in this way, and we have to take the x bar from above method, that is x bar is summation fi xi upon capital N. 3 into 34.5, 1 into 44.5, 8 into 54.5, 10 into 64.5, 7 into 74.5, 7 into 84.5, 4 into 94.5. Multiply, make the column x bar we have to define. So x bar into xi minus x bar we have to derive 112.25 whole bracket square. Fi into x minus by x bar we have to derive. Put s square is summation fi xi minus x bar whole bracket n minus 1, because these are class interval is less than 30. That's why 39. So 105.10.0 upon 39, 269.48. Therefore square root of s square is square root of 269.48 is equal to 16.42 is standard deviation. Your homework is tell the mean of these data. Okay, now let us check the shortcut method. 30 to 39, these are the frequency table is not given. Here it is given. and it is our class interval. Midpoint 34.5, you just I tell 34.5, 44 point, it is what 44.5, 43.5, 64, it is 64.5, 54, 74.5, 84.5, 94.5. Now we have to multiply Fi into Xi. 34.5 into 3, 103.5. 1 into 44.5, 8 into 54.5 is 436, 10 into 64.5, 645, 7 into 74.5, 521.5, 7 into 84.5, 591.5, 4 into 94.5, 378. Exactly. Now we need the Fi Xi x square. So x square 34.5 whole bracket square we need, and multiply with the Fi. So we derive the final column in this way. So x bar, how do we have to calculate x bar? It is 2720 divided by 40. 68 is the x bar. So sample variance is Fi Xi square upon n minus 1 and x bar square upon n minus 1. We have the Fi Xi square, that is 195470. Be careful here, Xi bracket square is there. I highlight here.